Hi, this is Giordano from differentials-plus, and this is Road Ready. Today I wanted to talk about automatic transmission replacement and rebuilding. We often have customers that come in need of repair to their transmission. Although we do not build transmissions in-house, we have some great options to offer. We offer a remanufactured unit from most manufacturers that carries a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The benefit to going with a remanufactured transmission versus a rebuild is that these units are dyno tested before they go out the door, and they rarely come with an issue. You also have the manufacturer that stands behind the product as well as us. If you have any questions about your car, you can find us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can reach us at 423-355-1872. You can find us on Facebook at differentials-plus, or you can find us on the web, differentials-plus.com.